Hello traders, you're welcome to this video and I especially welcome you back to the Forex Geek channel. In this video, we are just going to be breaking down exactly how to use indicators for trading on TradingView. If you have ever opened a chart and felt lost with all the options, then this video is your roadmap. Okay, by the end of this video you'll know how to apply, customize, and combine the most effective indicators on TradingView. All right, now let us start by adding indicators. So on your chart, you click the indicators button at the top. All right, you'll see a huge library of built-in indicators and custom scripts. There are actually a lot of indicators available on TradingView. For now, just stick with the built-in ones like moving averages, RSI, MACD, and Bollinger Bands. Okay, there are a lot of indicators actually available here on TradingView. Okay, but let's just talk about some popular ones. All right, now you can just click on any of them. Let's just click on any of these indicators. Okay, and they'll instantly appear on your chart. Once added, you can click the gear icon. You can see the gear icon and click on the gear icon to customize your indicator. You can change the length, the basis, and whatever settings that is available for that indicator. Basically, you can modify the settings according to your taste to suit your trading style. Now, let's just walk through, some key indicators that many traders use. All right. So the Bollinger Bands is used to measure volatility. Price touching the upper or the lower Bollinger Bands, the upper or the lower bands may suggest a market turning point or breakout setup. All right. Then another popular indicator is the MACD, that's the moving average convergence divergence. All right. The moving average convergence divergence is another popular indicator that a lot of traders use. Okay. It's a trend following indicator that reveals momentum. Crossovers between the MACD line and the signal line often point to entry or exit zones. All right. When you have a bullish crossover and you have the histogram bars above the zero level, it's a bullish signal. When you have a bearish crossover and you have the histogram bars red below the zero level, is a bearish signal. Okay, now let us talk about the RSI. Let me just remove this and add the RSI to the chart. Okay, so the RSI, which is the relative strength index, measures momentum. Okay, readings above 70 indicate overbought conditions, while readings below 30 indicate oversold conditions. Okay, the RSI is actually great for spotting reversals. Right, it's great for spotting reversals. Then finally, let us talk about the moving averages. Very, very popular indicators. One of the most popular indicators we have out there, the moving averages. All right. So you can actually just use the 50 EMA and the 200 EMAs. All right, you can just use the 50 EMAs and the 200 EMAs. Okay, so this helps determine the overall trend. Okay, you can use the 50 period and 200 period moving average combo to find trend direction and potential crossover signal. So basically, when the 50 EMA crosses above the 200 EMA, it's a buy signal. You should be looking for buy opportunities. And when the 50 EMA crosses below the 200 EMA, it's a sell signal, which means you should be looking for sell opportunities. All right. Now, Indicators become more powerful when tailored to your style. If you are scalping lower time frames, you can go with shorter moving averages or a more sensitive RSI. For swing trading, you can increase your periods, for smoother smoother signals. The periods, that what I'm talking about is, this 50 and 200 and all of that, you can actually increase for smoother signals. Okay, and same with the RSI length. If you increase it, you're going to get smoother signals. If you reduce it, maybe as a scalper, you're going to get faster signals. Okay, you can modify your indicators according to your taste. TradingView makes customization easy with quick access menus and visual controls. So you can try color coding your indicators too. It helps keep your charts clean and readable. Okay, now one indicator alone does not tell the full story. Here's how to combine them. You can actually decide to use moving averages to define trend direction. Then maybe you can use your RSI, the relative strength index, to confirm momentum strength. For example, you have a bullish crossover, you have the RSI above the 50 level trending upwards. That shows bullish momentum, right? You can also use your MACD to validate the move before entering. Maybe you have your histogram bars above the zero level as well, with the bullish crossovers, your MACD line crossing above the signal line. And then your Bollinger Bands can also serve to watch out for potential breakouts or bounce setups. So it's actually good to get confirmations. Together, these tools create a strong system for timing entries and exits more precisely. All right? But you don't have to overload your chart, okay? Don't overload your chart. Too many indicators create noise. So you can just aim for maybe 2 or 3 or 4 indicators maximum that complement each other. Okay, each other. So just create a default template on TradingView with your favorite tools so that every time you open a new chart, you are ready to go. All right. So that is how you use indicators for trading on TradingView. Focus on simplicity, understand what each tool tells you, and practice combining them to sharpen your edge. Okay? If this helped you out, hit that like button, drop a comment with your favorite indicator, and subscribe to the channel for more content just like this one. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Happy trading.